guys, so I'm going to start off by saturating my client's hair with water on the top. Basically, I'm going to part it at the parietal ridge and set my duck clips in. This is just getting the hair on top out of the way so that I could debulk the bottom. So now that I have everything parted, I'm gonna debulk the sides using my one guard with the lever open. I'm basically just using my comb to, basically judge how high I go up. So I'm feeding the hair in the teeth of the comb as well, making sure that I go over it multiple times so that it is at that one guard length. Now setting my comb at a 90-degree angle, I'm gonna clipper over comb everything that sticks out. It's all about angling your comb and trying to get the bottom half to blend in to the top. So now that we have everything debulked and pretty much the shape down, it's time to set in the bald line. I'm using my Skeleton FX. You don't really have to use liners to set in your bald line. I just like to do this because it defines it a lot more, and you can make your bald line a lot more neat with your liners. But you can use the lever close on your clippers and just basically do the same thing. So I'm gonna drop it in the back and come around on the other side, making sure the left side looks like the right side. So now using my Gamma shavers, I'm gonna make the bottom half razor bald. I'm not going all the way up to the line. I'm keeping about a little bit. I'm leaving some room so it could show another transition. So this just cleans up the bottom and makes it look real neat. Now going back with my wall cordless seniors with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure that I keep it consistent all the way around. So in the same way that I set the lever open, I'm gonna do that same thing with the one guard with the lever open. I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure that I keep it consistent all the way around. As you can see, I'm kind of just going straight up. I'm not really digging in. That way the transition can be a lot smoother going in when you set in your next step.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
instead of using the 2-guard, I'm gonna just dive right in with the clipper over comb. I'm gonna set my comb at a 90-degree angle, and I'm gonna match up the 1-guard that I used, and basically whatever hair that's sticking out, I'm gonna run the clipper straight up so that it can flow into the hair on top. So now going back with the 1-guard, but this time closing the lever, I'm flicking out that middle line. Now I'm softening it up, that way I could come behind it with the next step. It makes it a lot easier to take it out with the 0-guard closed when you soften it up with the 1-guard closed. So now that we softened it up with the 1-guard closed, I put on my 0-guard closed, and in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now keep in mind, I'm using my corners the entire time. I'm not really using the full length of the blade. That way I won't take off too much on either side. So with the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember to start below the line, flick to the line. Usually I'll set the lever at halfway mark and do the same thing by softening it up. But with this, I seen the line at the bottom, it was real light, so I just went ahead and closed the lever fully closed and flicked out the bottom line. So now here's the most important part of doing a blend, is detailing your work. You want to take a look away from the blend or utilize your mirror. The mirror gives you a different perspective on the blend. It allows you to see like different bulk areas in your blends to where you couldn't see dead on. So make sure you refer to the mirror as well when you do your detail work. Use your corners, any guards that you set in with your guidelines. You want to make sure you go back to those guards, close them, and start using your corners to knock out those bulk areas. So next, I'm gonna work on the top. Gonna take my duck clips out. I'm gonna saturate my client's hair again with water. This time it will be a lot easier because I already sprayed it. Then I'm gonna basically section off the front. I'm gonna hang the hair over, and I'm gonna clipper over comb every hair that's hanging over to match up what's on the sides. Then I'm gonna take about an inch off the top and basically work my way from the front to the back. Now I'm gonna use my styling comb to basically blow dry and style in the direction that I want the hair to go in. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, we make it look easy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Also, make sure you go give him a follow. And if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.